In a shocking and a harrowing incident, a displaced minor girl from More who was residing at the relief camp in Akampat was found dead at Singjamai Wangma Khetri Bridge. A 28-year-old man, an IDP from Churachandpur, has been arrested in connection with disappearance and reportedly confessed for killing the girl who was a class KG student at Eastern Idol High School. Meanwhile, angry mob attempted to storm Irilbung police station where the accused person has been kept and demanding justice for the victim, a minor girl. Police had to fire tear gas shells to disperse the crowd at that moment. According to officials, the minor's family members lodged a missing person complaint on Sunday at Irilbung police station in Imphal East district. Following the complaint, police teams from Imphal East and Imphal West districts launched a coordinated search effort. Senior officers, including district chiefs, supervised the operation on the ground. Investigators scanned CCTV footage from nearby areas, which led to the identification of a suspect who was allegedly last seen with the minor. The accused, identified as Laisham Langamba, aged 28 years, was detained for questioning. During interrogation, he allegedly confessed to abducting and murdering the child and disposing of the body under Singjamai Bridge. Based on the disclosure of the accused, the body of the minor was recovered in the early hours from the indicated location. Meanwhile, tensions flared later in the day as IDPs from the relief camp gathered outside Irilbung police station, demanding death penalty for the accused. The protest escalated into a confrontation with security personnel, prompting police to fire tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. Meanwhile, the accused was produced before Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM Court in Imphal today, and the court has remanded the accused to 5 days of judicial custody to allow further investigation into the case.